A rational function f has a whole with coordinates -1, 7. Which of the following equations could define f? Now, when it comes to wholes, I only care about the x value. And a whole exists when you have, and in this case, when we were to factor stuff out, if we were to get something like x plus 1 on the bottom and x plus 1 on top, that's going to be a whole. First things first, you have to have the same amount of factors upstairs that you have downstairs, and they have to be the same. Now, why did I choose x plus 1? Well, because the whole exists at x equals -1. So the factor created by a whole existing at x equals -1 is going to be the opposite of that, because it would make the factor equal to 0. So what I have to do is I need to take terms factoring all three of these guys and see which one looks something like this. Any repeats and not a repeat kind of breaks the whole thing apart. So this is a quadratic. Two numbers that add up to -5 and multiply out to -6 are going to be -6 and +1. So starts out somewhat promising. If I factor out an x, that leaves me with x plus 1. So I have an x plus 1 up here and an x plus 1 down there. Nothing extra to throw us off. 1 is an option. All right, let's try it again. Let's factor that guy. Two numbers that add up to -4 and multiply out to -5 are going to be x minus 5, x plus 1. I can factor out a 6. That leaves me with x squared plus 3x plus 2, which continues factoring out to 6 times two numbers that add up to 3, multiply out to 2, x plus 1, x plus 2. Up here we had x minus 5, x plus 1, x plus 1 up here, x plus 1 down there. No repeats of any of those. 2 seems to do the job. Now let's see if 3 will do the job. Let's factor out the top. Two numbers that add up to 7 and multiply out to -8 are going to be x plus 8, x minus 1. We could stop right here, but I'm going to keep going. Two numbers that multiply out to -2 add up to positive invisible 1 are going to be x minus 1, x plus 2. Or do I have that backwards? Nope, I'm good. Now, x minus 1 is not what I want. It's the opposite of what I want. So the whole would exist at 1, so it can't be u, which means it can't be u, which means it must be u.